Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the moving zoom effect in CapCut. Using keyframe using keyframe feature. So first you can select your videos or photos that you like to edit. For example, I'm going to select photo. Alright, so I'm going to add the overlay button top. I'm going to remove the background. Select chroma key. You gotta cut out select chroma key and select color picker and adjust for its strength and then shadow. So I'm going to resize and I'm going to make it move and zoom. Move and zoom, and how to. It's also very simple. Right. Select basic and select keyframe button. Just add keyframe. Add the position and size at right. Just click on it, and you can swipe to the right, and then you can move the object and just for the scale like this, and then you can do as before until the end of the clip and move the object and then just for the scale, so you can see for the final result like this. Alright, so super simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.